Hello, what's up, guys? Welcome back to the course. Welcome back to the episode. So, in our previous tutorials, we learned everything you need to know about staircase, and we did a series of staircase. So, on this episode, I'm going to teach you how to draw a ramp, and you have an idea of drawing a ramp in Revit. So, let's move right away into our course. So, I have a template here. In case you don't have a template, you can open and use the template that you have. All right, I'm going to use this template here. So I'm going to click on this template. Okay, here we are. So what we are going to do here today is to just come into our east elevation. From the east elevation, we are going to create a second level. We can call it a mezzanine level, or so I'm going to copy from here and give it a 1 meter length, 1 meter height, and I'm going to label this 1A. So our slope is going to start from level 1 to level 1A. That's why I'm creating a new level. So it depends on how you are working. It depends on the type of slope in which you want to draw. It depends on the type of design in which you are drawing. So there's an idea to show you how to draw a slope in Revit. So when I come to my level 1, I'll come to the architecture tab. From the architecture tab, right from my ribbon panel, I can see a ramp here. So I'll pick this ramp, just pick this ramp here. And the next thing that you have to do is to look at your base constraints, your base levels, and also your top levels. So my base level is going to be level 1. Just select level 1, and your top level should be 1A. So I'll come in a working area in the mid of my elevation, then I'm just draw a straight line starting from the bottom to the top. So after doing this, just come into your 3D and you do finish from here. So let's read a warning. It said the ramp is not long enough to reach the top constraint. Change the slope or increase the length of the ramp. Okay, another way, we are not seeing the ramp here, so I will just use the review hide element and on hide my category here as well. After that, I can see the ramp from here. So as the warning give us, when you come into the edit type area, when I decrease my slope length to 10, it changes the slope of my ramp. When I increase the slope, it reduces what the slope. So this is something that you have to take notes here in case you are working with any ramp at all. You just have to come here and adjust, and also you have to determine what the maximum incline length in which you have 10 meters here as well, or 10,000 mm. So aside that, we have two shape in Revit. We have the solid shape and we have the thick shape. So with the solid shape, when I change from thick to solid and I do apply, it gives me a kind of a solid ramp as well. But with that one, you can't change the thickness. But when I change from solid to thickness, I can change the thickness here as well. So you can also determine the function of the ramp. It can be in an interior or exterior. Determine the function of the ramp. Aside that, these graphics determine the names or the height. Let's say if when I come into my level 1, you can see we have up here. So the graphics area determine the text size and also the font that you want to use. Aside that, you can also determine what the structural material and also the finishes for the ramp that you are doing. So this is a few example or few type properties about the ramp. You can also do duplicate as well here, and you can also rename your ramp as well. So this under the identity data, these are a few comments that you can give to your ramp in case you have plenty ramp in your project. So you can try your hands on it and let me know from the comment section box. So I said so you can change the thickness to solid from here. When you come to the 3D, you can see we have it here. So the next thing that we are going to do is to try and bring our balusters or the railings, in which when you are taking off the height of the ramp, you'll be able to hold the railings to support you. So I'll select the railings and come to edit type. Under the edit type, I just have to click on balusters placement, and under balusters placement I'll click on here and I'll come to the post, change them. After that, I'll do apply. Okay, there we have a railings and its support here. So if you want to do this, you can select here again, you come to the edit type here, and you found yourself with many options. Try your hands on it and try and apply them and see how the balustrade or the balusters work in Revit. I hope this video give you an idea on how to draw a ramp and also a balusters. Thank you for purchasing this course. Thank you for watching this video. See you in the next video. Peace. Shalom. Bye.